Good morning this Monday, the 27th of November. I'm Grady Wolf, market analyst at Bell Direct. Wall Street rose for a fourth straight week last week across the key indices, despite a mixed session on Friday. The Dow Jones rose 0.33% on Friday and the S&P 500 added 0.06%, but the tech-heavy Nasdaq fell 0.11%. Chipmaker Nvidia weighed on the Nasdaq on Friday as shares in the company fell 1.7% after Reuters reported Nvidia told its Chinese clients that it will delay a new artificial intelligence chip designed to comply with US export restrictions until next year. Declining bond yields are the driving factor behind the four-week Wall Street rally as investors come to terms with the idea that the equity market in the US can handle interest rates between 4 to 5%. Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales periods kicked off over the weekend in the US, which sent shares in Walmart, Amazon and Target higher on Friday. Over in Europe, markets in the region also closed higher on Friday as fresh economic data from the region boosted investor sentiment that inflation is continuing to cool. Final German GDP figures for Q3 released on Friday confirmed contraction of 0.1%, which is down 0.8% on the PCP. The Stock 600 rose 0.4% on Friday, while Germany's DAX added 0.22% and the French CAC rose 0.2%. And in the UK, the FTSE 100 ended the day up 0.06%. Locally on Friday, the ASX 200 rose 0.17%, driven by the utilities and energy sectors, adding 1.55% and 1.27% respectively. Trading was lackluster on Friday as Wall Street was closed for the Thanksgiving holiday on Thursday. The energy sector rally was boosted on Friday by a rebound in the price of oil, while tech stocks weighed on the key index. In company news, Select Harvest tanked 10.5% on Friday after the agricultural company reported net losses deepened to $115 million in FY23 from $4.8 million in FY22, which led to the company's final dividend being scrapped. Whitehaven Coal, on the other end of the market, rose 3.4% after the company's $1 billion Winchester South coking coal mine was given a recommendation to proceed from the Queensland Government's Coordinator General. On the commodities front this morning, oil has retreated again to trade 1.22% lower at $76.16 a barrel. Gold is up 0.5% at $2,001.6 an ounce. Iron ore is flat at $136 a tonne, and uranium is up 8.45% to $80.25 a pound. One Aussie dollar is buying 66 US cents at 98.32 Japanese yen, 52.23 British pence and 1 New Zealand dollar and 8 cents. Ahead of the local trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are expecting the local market to open the new trading week up 0.21%. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has maintained a buy rating on Clinuvel Pharmaceuticals and a 12-month price target of $24 following the release of an update out of the company's competitor. Clinuvel currently has a monopoly position over the market for the treatment of EPP through the distribution of the drug Scenesse, which is currently the only global approved treatment for EPP. The most advanced competitor is Mitsubishi Tanabe, which has recently initiated a phase 3 trial which pushes back the potential approval of their drug until at least CY27 at the earliest, which indicates Clinuvel has a monopoly over the market for at least another 3 to 4 years. And Bell Potter has increased the rating on Boss Energy from a speculative hold to a speculative buy rating and maintain a $5.53 per share 12-month price target on the uranium miner, as the analyst sees an opportunity to buy in the dip given the recent pullback in the share price and some key tailwinds mounting in the uranium market. Upcoming catalysts for Boss Energy include the signing of an offtake agreement ahead of first production in December or January, commencement of production with first drummed material in late January to early February 2024, and further momentum in uranium markets as more countries continue to include nuclear power as part of their green energy transition strategies. And that's all we have time for this morning. Have a wonderful Monday, and as always, happy investing.